Hey everybody, Mark 5 Angels Outdoor, and welcome to another install video. As you can see behind me, we're actually focused on the Jeep today. We are going to do an LED turn signal upgrade and update. So let's take a look. So we have is the Quake LED kit. We'll see how it turns out. We'll do an open of the box here pretty soon, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to replace the larger, bulkier stock turn signals that are here in the front with these slim new LEDs from Quake. So let's open the box and see what we got. Alright, there's not really much to this kit. We have some instructions. We have a hardware pack and then two light assemblies, LED light assemblies. And just to let you know, these are metal, so there's nothing plastic here. So we'll read through the instructions, get an idea of what we're in for, and we'll go from there. Okay, I've read through the instructions. There's a lot of steps, but it seems pretty straightforward. And really with this kit, what's really going on is this entire black part, I feel, that's surrounding this front fender will be removed, so it will not exist, and then the light will be just barely along the edge here. So as you can see, we got bolts to remove, push pins, you know, there's stuff going on here for sure. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, but and see how long it takes, but we'll show you the progress. What we'll probably do is probably going to work both sides at the same time, but we'll show you one as we go. Alright, step one, we remove three 10mm bolts. We have one here, and one here. So that's step one. Now let's go to step two. Removing the pinch fasteners. There's fasteners here, here, here. There's 5 of them. I got the pry tool, and we'll get these out. Alright, so we peeled back the fender flare, we traced the wire to the light, and then disconnected the wiring harness of the light from the plug. So, that's it. The next two steps, we basically removed two number 10 bolts from here, and another one from here, and then 3 torque screws that are holding on this light assembly. So T30 Torx, we removed both of those. So on to the next step. This amber side marker light should pop out. So we'll see how that goes. Let me get the little pry tool in there. The side marker out, but there is a bolt back there holding it in. It's another one of those T30s, so you can see it back in here. Up, there she goes. So yeah, so we'll do that, and the side marker is popped out. That'll just give us some more room to work and more space. Alright, we've pulled the wiring harness from several pins. There's 5 of them. One's really hard. It's like up above this little bracket here, and it's really hard to reach and get a good angle to pry that out. Just to let you know. Alright, there are white clips all the way around in which we can pinch to remove the fender. Just to let you know, the 2 down here are definitely a pain in the butt. I don't know how they're meant to reach, because that one in the back does not have a lot of room at all. But we have both fenders removed now. Now let's see what the next step is. Get back to assembly. Alright, from the fender we removed a Phillips head here. We're going to flip this up and we have to remove 2 Torx bits here T25s that'll allow us. We got to start removing this assembly here from the fender. So we've basically removed all the inner lining off the fenders and trimmed down the tabs, and so we are basically naked underneath. Time to get this stuff finished up. All right, so I inserted the push pins. So we basically have the fenders in place. They're held in there loosely right now. Now it's time to get the lights in. And there she is. Fender chop lighting in place, looking good, sitting nicely. Now one thing that we will have to do is get us some inner fender liners, so once I get those in, I'll install. But other than that, I think we're looking pretty good here. All right, there she is. So that install wasn't bad. I mean, it was pretty straightforward, just a little tedious here and there, but the instructions were clear, the equipment was there, and really just from now I just have to get in the inner fender liners, because you don't reuse your fender liners. So that would be the only thing that I have to do yet, but otherwise it's looking good, and just a little bit of making it our own. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more Bronco or Jeep content now that we have both. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take it easy.